For this lesson, you need to open World Sales 9 from your sample files folder. I'm going to begin this lesson by opening the Select Data Source dialog. To do that, I'll right-click just inside the border of the chart and then choose Select Data from the shortcut menu. And the Select Data Source dialog is displayed. Notice that the Select Data Source dialog lists the three series in the charts, USA, Europe and Other, and the three categories shown on the chart. That's January, February and March. Also notice that there's a checkbox next to each of the series and each of the categories. You can check and uncheck these boxes to apply a chart filter. This is just a different and more involved way to do the same thing that you did in Lesson 5.10 when you applied a chart filter. I'd like to add a new data series to this chart. You can see at the moment, from the green marching ants, that I'm charting the range A1 to D4. Now I'd like to add the new series shown in column E. That's the totals shown in cells E2 to E4. So notice that above the series list there's an Add button. I'll click the Add button now, and the Edit Series dialog appears. I'm going to call the series name Total, and for the series values I'll remove whatever's currently in the text box and select cells E2 to E4, and then I'll click OK. And notice that two things have happened. First of all, the new data series Total has appeared in the series list of the Select Data Source dialog, and also the total is now being charted within the chart, and it's shown in the legend at the top of the chart. As well as adding data series using the Select Data Source dialog, you can also remove them. I'm going to now remove the total series that I just added by selecting it with a click and then clicking the Remove button. And two things have happened again. First of all, the series has been removed from the Select Data Source dialog, and it's also disappeared from the chart. In the last lesson, you changed the categories to become series and the series to become categories using the ribbon. But you can also perform this operation from the Select Data Source dialog. Let's do that now. Notice that there's a Switch Row Column button above the two lists. At the moment, USA, Europe, Other are being shown in the legend on the chart, and Jan, Feb, Mar, the categories, are being shown along the x-axis. I'm now going to click the Switch Row Column button, and notice that they've now changed places. Jan, Feb, Mar are now data series, and they're appearing in the legend, and USA, Europe, Other are now categories, and they're appearing along the x-axis. And I'll now click the OK button to save my changes. And all that remains for this lesson is to save your work, and I'm going to save with the new name World Sales 10, and as usual I'll save to the folder above my sample files folder. I click the Save button, and you've now completed Lesson 5.14, Change Source Data using the Select Data Source dialog tools.